most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Hi, everybody. Great to be with you here on a Tuesday. Hope you enjoyed a three-day weekend. Many of you did. And we've got Chambersburg kicking off here on another very hot day. You know, we had some heat this summer, but this is going to be the most prolonged and the hottest stretch we've had here going into these final weeks of summer. And Chambersburg looking quiet here for a Tuesday. You know, yesterday we did break a record, 97 degrees. That's what the airport got to, and when you're in a pattern like this, persistence is best. So we're just going to call for 97 again today. The normal is 81, so we were way above that, and we shattered the record of 93 yesterday. The record today is 94, so chances are we will break that. That was set back in 2018. No rain again, and now we are headed toward a 7-inch deficit. Not great. We could use a little bit of rain. So again, to recap, we have on average 21 90-degree days a year. With yesterday, we are up to 16. So it hasn't felt like a hot summer. It hasn't been really, but we're starting to see at least average 90-degree days. We've got a system off to the north and east that is retrograding a little bit. May spread some cirrus clouds our way today, but for the most part, it's clear, it's dry, and we expect it to be mainly sunny. That sun will be blazing again in all of the bigger cities and the urban heat island effect, creating temperatures that haven't dropped below 80 degrees yet. Lancaster is close to at 79. 76 in Harrisburg, 68 in York. That's more typical of what we see this time of year. There hasn't been much of a change over the last 24 hours. You'll notice York, for example, no change at all, but we're a little bit warmer in spots like Lebanon, Lancaster, Philly, 6 degrees warmer. That's no small feat. It is toasty out. Current dew points are in the low to mid 60s. Again, it was not all that oppressively humid yesterday. It was a bit, but it was mainly a dry heat. Dew points were certainly not in the 70s for much of the day, which was good. So here's this area of low pressure off the east coast, just grazing the coastal areas with some clouds, and we may tap into some cirrus from that. But for the most part, it should be sunny again today. High pressure is still in control, remember, as hot and humid weather continues across the east coast. There is a frontal system off to the west here, and that will eventually move eastward and stall out over our region by the end of the week. In the meantime, again, a pretty nice day. It is going to be sunny and hot, so limit your time outdoors if it gets to you, and for many of us it does. Tomorrow, same deal, record heat again. And then by Thursday, we start to introduce some relief. Now, I'm not sure Precision Cast is going to hold this together. I don't think we're going to see much rain on Thursday. This brings a round through in the morning, another round through in the evening. I can see this evening round coming through. I still think it's going to be in the 90s on Thursday as the heat wave continues. And then each day after that, there will be a chance for showers and storms. So the extended outlook does show you the heat wave will continue through Thursday with temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. It is going to be hot. Even Friday will still be warm at 89. And then we'll start to cool down here by the weekend. Saturday only 82. It does look like it will stay humid though. Dew points staying up in the 60s and 70s, even into early next week now before we start to get some relief in that department, probably by Tuesday. Rain chances, again, no guarantee you're going to get significant rain here, but scattered showers and storms from Thursday through Sunday look like a good bet. Let's check the tropics because there is at least one storm now we have to keep an eye on. Most of the rest of the tropics are quiet, but this wave coming off of Africa has a very good chance in the next 48 hours to likely become Lee. That brings back some bad memories for us. A lot of flooding with Lee and the remnants of Lee associated with a system named Lee in 2011. We'll keep an eye on that one. 97 degrees today. No flooding concerns at all. We need actually some rain. Record heat will continue tonight. 74, warm and muggy, and we're going to do it again tomorrow with a high of 97. 95 on Thursday. We're going to keep an eye on Thursday. It does look like there could be some scattered storms really from Thursday through Sunday, but we do get cooler here by the weekend. So some relief from a stalled front, not only with cooler temperatures, but hopefully some rain too.
But really, I mean, the next few days just going to be uncomfortable.
Going to be the hottest of the summer so far, yeah.
Wow. Okay. Thank you, Brett.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.